states are showcasing their disagreement with the center over the rejection of their Republic Day tableau. Now, this brings the topic or the news of the Republic Day tableau in the news. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about how the Republic Day tableau of different states and union territories of India are selected. What is the process with regard to it? So first of all, what is the Republic Day tableau that we see when the parade is going on the Kartavya path? So this is the example of a Republic Day tableau. Every state or the states or the union territories representing the culture, heritage and customs of their states, the tableau of every state is organized. So we will be talking about the news, then what is the process for the Republic Day tableau selection, who selects it, what are the stages of selection, what is the new rule, or what can the tableau include, what are the do's and the don'ts, and in the end a prelims MCQ. This topic becomes important as the Republic Day has almost arrived, so this becomes important. And now there are only few today and tomorrow left for you to avail the special discount that Drishti IAS has come up with, that is 20 to 50% discount on all online pen drive and test series courses. So you can download the Drishti Learning app, or you can also go on the link which is given in the description box and keep subscribing to the channel. So the news talks about big row over Republic Day tableau. How are they chosen for 26th January parade? So we all know that 26th January is the Republic Day for India, and on the Republic Day it is that huge parade which goes on. States and the union territories of India, they get a chance to showcase their strength and their representation in the form of the Republic Day tableau which goes in the parade. So what is happening is that not every state and union territories tableau is selected. So this time there are few states whose tableau has not been selected. And the states are showing their disagreement with the center that why the tableaus are rejected. So what has happened is that a huge row has erupted over the selection of the colorful tableau displayed during the Republic Day celebration at the Kartavya path, which was earlier known as the Rajpath, on 26th of January. So all of us can watch it online, can watch it in the digital format, can watch it on the television. Few go and watch it live. The center and several opposition ruled states are at odds over the rejection of their state's tableau, like for example Karnataka, Punjab, Delhi, West Bengal. So these are the states whose tableau has not been selected. And the Ministry of Defense, which looks into this aspect, has said that the most transparent and consultative manner has been followed while the selection for the Republic Day tableau has been going on. So no biasness was followed from their side. So what is the process for the Republic Day tableau selection? So according to the Defense Ministry, who is responsible for the Republic Day celebrations, so whatever celebration takes place and whatever celebrations we are able to see, so the responsible authority is the Ministry of Defense. So Ministry of Defense invites the states and the union territories, the central government departments and some constitutional authorities to send their tableau proposals. So it is the Ministry of Defense which asks the different states, union territories and any other institutions to give their proposal. And then the interested states, union territories, they send their tableau, and those interested in showcasing the tableau, they submit a concept note and design blueprint to the Ministry of Defense. So the submission of the blueprint also takes place. So submission of the blueprint to the Ministry of Defense takes place in advance. And the themes which is going on for this year's Republic Day is Viksit Bharat, which is developed India, and Bharat Loktantra ki Matruka, that is India, mother of democracy. So this is the theme for the 2024 Republic Day. So this is the process. It means it is the defense ministry which is responsible for taking out all the tableau or the selection of tableau. First, the invitation goes to all the states, union territories, government departments, and then the proposal is submitted or the blueprint is submitted, and then the committee looks into the proposal and the blueprint which is submitted by the different states and the union territories. Now, who selects tableau for the Republic Day parade? Who is that authority who is selecting the Republic Day parade tableau? So there is an expert committee which is appointed by the Defense Ministry. So overall authority Defense Ministry has, and it is the Defense Ministry which appoints an expert committee to select the blueprint and look into the different angles of the blueprint. And the expert committee comprises of distinguished persons from different fields, and that is art, culture, painting, music, architecture, choreography, sculpture, etc. So the expert committee consists of people from different fields. All the distinguished people from a very diverse area of fields are included or are part of this expert committee, and they evaluate the tableau proposals. It means that whatever proposal or the blueprint that has been submitted by the states and the union territories or different government institutions, those proposals and blueprints are evaluated by this expert committee. And then the committee examines the proposals, and on the basis of theme, concept, design, and its visual impact before making its recommendation. So these are the things which the expert committee looks into, and that is what is the theme of the Republic Day tableau, what is the concept, the design, and what will be the visual impact, or whenever the people are seeing it, or what impact does the Republic Day tableau of that particular state or union territory will have on the people who are watching it. Then what are the stages of selection? So there are different stages of selection. So first of all, if we talk about, so the first stage is that the expert panel assesses the sketch or the design of the proposal and suggests changes. So every state, looking into the heritage, the culture, the customs of that particular stage, prepares a blueprint, and when the blueprint reaches the expert committee, so the expert committee looks into the sketch and the design of the proposed tableau, and then if they want to suggest any kind of changes, then the changes are suggested. Then the participants are told to submit three-dimensional model of their proposals, and three-dimensional model is needed so that the actual visual representation can also be depicted or predicted in advance, that how the tableau of that particular state will look like. Then the panel examines these models in the second stage, and when this three-dimensional figure is presented before the panel, then the panel examines that figure. Then if the model is approved, the tableau is sent for fabrication. So after this three-dimensional models is given, then the approval on the three-dimensional models also comes, and if it is approved, then it moves further. And the factors which are involved while the expert committee or the expert panel is looking that whether the Republic Day tableau of a certain state or the union territories should go ahead or not. So those can be, first of all, how the visual appeal of that tableau will be, what will be its impact on the masses or the people which are looking at it, what is the idea or the theme of the tableau, it should go with the culture of that state. Then the degree of detailing involved in the tableau, it should not be a vague tableau, it should speak volumes about the state. Then the music accompanying the tableau and many other things. So these are the factors which the expert panel looks into. Then the selection process includes 6 to 7 rounds of meetings spanning several days. So the selection panel in itself meets many times before finalizing everything. Then expert committee has the final say in everything. And this expert committee is constituted by which ministry? It was the Ministry of Defense. So overall authority, Ministry of Defense. Then comes the expert committee. First the proposal goes out to the states, then states submits their blueprint. Then the expert committee looks into it. Then whichever is approved, the three-dimensional figure comes. Then after the three-dimensional figure is approved, then it goes for fabrication, and then the overall appeal of the tableau of the state looks into in depth or in deeper details, and then the final selection takes place. Now what is the new rule after few of the states have shown their disagreement with the result, that why their tableau has not been selected for the 2024 Republic Day parade? So there is a new rule which the government has come up, and that is that the Ministry of Defense has included a provision for states and UTs that are not selected for the Republic Day parade to showcase their tableau at the Bharat Parv. So whichever states who are not getting the chance to showcase their tableau on 26th of January, so they can showcase their tableau on the Bharat Parv. So Bharat Parv is an event, is a 6-day event which goes on after 26th of January. It goes on from 26th to 31st of January. So these states who are not taking part can showcase their tableau at this event. And the government has finalized a rotational plan also. Rotational plan to ensure that every state and union territory gets an opportunity to present their tableau at the Republic Day parade within a 3-year cycle. It means that because not all states or the union territories are getting a chance to showcase their tableau, so the government has said that a rotational plan, rotation means that every 3 years, in each 3-year span, every state or the union territories will get a chance to showcase their tableau, because the rotation will take place in such a manner that every state will get a chance to showcase their tableau, their state tableau, in that particular span of 3 years. So that is the rotational plan of the government. And then it intends to provide fair opportunities to all regions, mitigating accusations of biasness and fostering a more inclusive celebration. So if this will be followed, then there are chances of fair opportunities, so that every state in 3-year span of time, every state will get a chance to showcase their tableau. Now what can the tableau include? So the Ministry of Defense has given the guidelines that the tableau of 2 states should not be same. There should be particular differentiation between the 2 states tableaus, and then the participants must engage young qualified designers from renowned institutions, so that the tableau is designed in a particular format, and they should have electronic display walls for a bright display of images or content. So the images or content should be displayed. Then moving elements using robotics or mechanotronics. So the robotics can also be used, 3D printing can be used, augmented or virtual reality, these kind of technologies can also be used. So the people who are standing or who are part of the Republic Day tableau should wear dresses which represent their states, and the design of the tableau should also represent the essence of that state, and the name of the state or the union territory or the department, which should be in Hindi on the front. So the front of the tableau should have the name in Hindi, the back side should have the name in English, while on the sideways the name should be in the regional language. So front in Hindi, back in English, and sideways in regional languages. So that was it. And in the end, a prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. It is a PYQ of the year 2021. I think you will be able to give the answer very easily of this question. What was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1950? A democratic republic, a sovereign democratic republic, a sovereign secular democratic republic, or a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic? Looks easy, not that easy to answer. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the Drishti IAS channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.